Okay, I don't even know why I'm doing a video because this one will not last the weekend. This is a 2018 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 107,000 miles on it, but it was a one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, no issues vehicle. They bought it here new. They just traded it in and got a brand new 25 EXL Odyssey, basically the same thing. Step around this pole here. Check out the back. It's got our sticker on it from when it was bought new. Sleek paint, nice and clean. They took good care of it. Those alloy wheels are in good shape. The EX model has power doors. Show you there. Opens up. It's got 8 passengers. There's a seat that goes in the middle there. You can see the back and the front there. It's in great condition. Again, this one's not going to last long. Come on down, Victory Honda Plymouth. Check this one out. It's going to go quick. It's hard to find vans like this nice with these features and this kind of safety. Everything we sell comes with the warranty. This comes with the 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. It also comes with 2 years worth of maintenance. Give us a call. Respond to this video. Come on down and check it out. Again, Victory Honda Plymouth. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.